Hi everybody, it's Gordon here with Finnmark Designs, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how your sauna is going to look when it's delivered, what to look for as far as damage is concerned, as well as some tips that you guys can follow on getting your sauna delivered. So first things first, as you can see, we either wrap it in this black or green. We do that because this will show if there's any damage from any forklifts, because there's a contrast between the black and the brown box. So as you can see, it's palletized. When it's delivered, the driver will actually, we pay for a lift gate, so he has to take it down from the truck. And then if you're nice to him, generally, and if there's no, if you don't have like a 100-foot driveway or stairs or something like that, he'll use a pallet jack to move it into your garage. Now, before any of that, you need to inspect this sauna. So you need to do a full walk around of this sauna and make sure there's no rips, no gashes, no puncture holes or anything of that. So I actually made a puncture hole here. So what you want to do is you want to look at this puncture hole and you want to peel back the black wrap or green wrap, and you want to inspect the box. Okay, now if the box is damaged, you need to have a box cutter with you. Let me see here, let me pull it out. So you need to have a box cutter, and you need to basically cut around this the area that's damaged and inspect the inside of that box. Why? Well, because we use a lot of packaging material to protect, and we have a very low damage rate. So just because there's a hole doesn't mean that the sauna is damaged. So we need you to inspect that. If you do a full walk around and there's no damage, or you cut a hole and there's a little bit of damage, okay, let me walk you through the process. So what you need to do, as long as the sauna is fully intact and there's only a little bit of damage, maybe in the wood, this is a wood product, so a lot of this is fixable, okay? But if it's just a gash all the way through, you need to write on the BOL, damaged shipment, okay? You have to write damaged shipment. If it comes in pieces and it's just completely just ransacked, decline the shipment. But if it's a little small hole, it's much easier for Finnmark to send you a new panel or give you a replacement, slats for whatever is broken, than to ship a whole new sauna. It's actually going to be less time for you and less hassle for you as well. So peel it back, check to see it. If there's damage, write damage on the BOL. If it's completely ruined, just decline it and call us immediately. So that's a quick tip. If you talk to your driver, like I said earlier, they'll actually pull it in. Once you get it into your garage, it's 3 boxes underneath this wrap. So basically what you want to do is you'll take each panel out of each box. There's 2 panels in each box, and you could take it in one by one to the location that you want to put your sauna in. So I hope this helps you guys. This is a very important video because truckers, once it leaves our facility, it's very hard. We do our best. I mean, we shrink wrap it, we put it on a really expensive pallet, we use a lot of packaging material, but things do happen that are out of our control. You just need to protect yourself, and we need to make sure we're protected as well. So as always, I hope this video helps you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call, shoot us an email, or submit an online support ticket. And have a wonderful and healthy day. Bye-bye.